Hi friends, this is Hitesh from Anup Kelkar's Python Academy. So today we are back with some another problem statement in SQL. So let's see. First we read the what are the problem statement, then we will move to their solution part. Okay. So first question is, you are given a table name activities, each row in a table that represent a sales activity. Whenever we are seeing sales activity, that means in that activity table we have some column which represent on which date which of the goods or which of the products are sold. Okay, so that type of table is there. That column contains some essential details as given in some command. So first step is we have to first create that table. Okay, so what is that command? Create table if not exist. Why are we giving if not exist? Suppose a table whichever is already created, so that table is not going to create. You will get the pop-up or you will get the output as this table is already exist. Okay, so that's why we will write this command, create table if not exist. Then table name is activities, where you are passing some fields as a sales date and product. The data type of that sales date is a date, and the data type of that product is a varchar. Varchar means it allows to enter the alphanumeric value, okay, which is of 100 size. So after once you pass the field to that create table, now you have to end with a semicolon. Whenever you will run this command, how will you run this command? So select this one here, click on this dialog box, you will get the message create table is already. Okay, next, once you created the table, now it's time to insert the value. But before inserting the value, first we will see whether our table is created or not. So for that we will to view that the structure of that table, and whenever you want to see view the structure of that table, so for that we will use description command. Okay, so what is the description command? Desk, DESC, desk, and the table name. Okay, it will show you the structure of that table. Okay, so first select this command and then click here. You will see the structure of this table. Our table will consist of two fields, that is the sales date and product, where the type of the sales date is date and the type of the second field is a varchar, and both are the null values. Why? Because up till now we couldn't pass any value. Okay, now next one. Okay, so here we are inserting the data into respected fields. So for that we are writing the command for inserting the values as an insert command. So what is that command? First see, insert into name of the table, that is activities, values, and we are passing multiple records in a single table. So for that we will pass each record within the parenthesis. Okay, and both are of string type and date type. String, whenever I am saying string, that is a varchar, it allows the alphanumeric value. So first field is date, so where I am passing this date 2025 and 30, and the second field is apple. Next record is 2026-01 milk. So these are the consecutive records which we are inserting into the single insert command. So this command is used whenever you want to insert multiple records into the table within a single insert statement. So for that we will write this type of command. Okay, and whenever and each record will be associated with the comma, and whenever you thought it is the last record of that table, when you have to end by the semicolon. Okay, so same again here, you have to select this insert command and again click on here, execute the selected portion of the script. Okay, so now it's time to view whether our table has inserted all these records or not. So for that we will use select star from table name. Star is basically used to view the multiple records of that table. Okay, it will show all the records of that table. So for that we will write the command select star from activities and with a semicolon. Okay, again click here, we will get the all the data from the table. See here, our table consists of the two fields, sales date and product, and associated their values of that fields. Okay, now next move. So from here our problem statement is going to begin. So what are the problem statement? First, see, the goal is to group the product. We have to group the product by each date. We have to group the product on which date that product should be sold. Okay, and later on we have to calculate the number of product, total number of products sold on each date. Okay, so this is our problem statement. Once again I am repeating, our goal is to group the product that were sold on each date, and next calculate the total number of products sold on each date. Okay, this is our end goal. So for that we have written this query. Let's see which one is that. Select sale date. Sale date means we want to display the sale date of that table as a product, as activities, where we want to find the all the records of the number of the products were sold. So for that we have using aggregate function here, count. It will count the number of product were sold. Okay, and that was alias as a, we want to show that all the values number of product were sold as a num sold. So whenever we run this command we will get the name of that column as a num sold. Okay, here we are using group concat function. It is a function in MySQL. It is used to concat the data from the multiple rows. Here we are using group concat function, which is used to view the multiple fields into the single row, into the single field. So for that we will using group concat. Basically it is an aggregate function. Next, inside the group concat function we are using distinct keyword. It is used to select the statement to retrieve only distinct value, only unique values. Okay, for the particular set of columns. Next we will be using order by. Order by means we want to display the all the products in ascending order related on this product column. So for that if we want to view the product in ascending order, so for that we had written here ASC as a alias as product. So whenever we get this value, whenever we will get the multiple values from the column as a under the column name product. This all query is going to run from the activities table, and we want to group all the sale date. So for that we will using group by statement, and we want to group by that statement on the particular sale date. And now we want to arrange that table by field name sale date. So basically our table is going to display records according to sale date, and that sale date in particularly ascending order. Okay, that is in sequence way. So for that we will run this command. So for that first select this command and then click on this here, execute the selected portion. We will get the our respected output. So see here we will get the three column. Okay, first one is sale date, where we used to view all the dates on which date that product particular sold. Next we want to get the number of product that is going to sell on that date, which is going to rename as a new column, that is a num sold. Next one is a group concat, which is used to fetch the multiple records from the multiple rows into the single column. So for that we will use group concat. Distinct keyword is used, that means we want only unique product. Okay, and that product is going to arrange in ascending order. So for that we will using order by statement. order by keyword, and that this group concat is going to replace with a new column name, that is a product. So we will get the respected output. So basically on 30th of 5th month we sold 6 product, and 6 product were sold from apples, banana and oranges. On the very next day, on the first date of 6th month, we sold total 4 product, which is from cereals and milk. On the last date we will sold again 4 products. That day only we sold bread only. Okay, so according to this we are written the statement. So basically this is a problem statement. If you have any query, do comment us and subscribe our channel. Thank you.